This stretch is for the iliotibial band. The iliotibial band is on the side of the leg. It runs from just below the knee to your greater trochanter on your hip. In order to roll this, you lay down onto your side with the roller just on the bony protuberance. Now, the top arm is bent in front of you, and the other arm is used to stabilize yourself. The top leg will be forward in the beginner rolling. Later on, we'll show you the more advanced one. As you roll, you just pull yourself along. You want to make sure that you stay above the knee joint and stay below the greater trochanter, that bony prominence in the hip. Go back and forth. You can do this as many times as you can. The more advanced maneuver is to stack both your legs together, lift them off the ground, and do the same thing. Pull back and forth, keeping the passes just above the knee and just below the bony protuberance. In addition to this, you want to do another one where you bring your hip forward 45 degrees and roll back and forth. This helps to break up the adhesions between the iliotibial band and the quadriceps muscle. Again, do this as many times as you can.